Nontobeko Thandeka Ngema, professionally known as Mawhoo, was born on the 16th of December 1994 in Eshowe, a town in the Zululand district of KZN, South Africa. Her nickname Mawhoo was given to her by her friend OK Malumkulket, who is also in the music industry. He named her Mawhoo because people frequently asked who she was. The name Mawhoo means magical in Japanese, and she also associates it with the frequent use of the Chinese makeup styles on her eyes.
Because ngathi uhlalulele makunamehlo ama-China amancane so angazi noma who ama-China or who esilungu uthi ubani, you know?
No, Mawhoo is a street name because I used to do this Chinese style, so so it's a Japanese name, means magical.
Oh.
And then I got this name from Okaman Crickets because I'm Durban.
Okay.
And some people didn't know how to pronounce my name, how to call Nontobeko Thandeka.
Igama lakho maliphelele?
Nontobeko elingithandeka. So abanye bengakwazi ukuthi Ntobeko mabefika mhlawumbe ngale and then bagcina sengibiza ngale gama. So ngagcina ngisebenzisa lona even ku-music industry.
When she was just 11 years old, in grade 4, she recorded a song with her sister and brought it to a local radio station, aiming for exposure and recognition. However, they declined to promote her, citing her young age as the reason. She described this experience as heartbreaking and painful.
I was doing grade 4. I remember when I started recording something, and then I went to there's a radio station called Ikora FM.
Yeah.
And I'm actually from Eshowe, KZN.
Yeah.
And then when I went there, and then when I give them my music, they're like, "No, you're still very young. Go back to school." I was like, "Okay." And I was crying. It was so painful to me.
Really?
Yeah, it was so painful.
Because they wouldn't give you an opportunity based on your age.
Yeah,
how old were
because
you?
I was still very young.
Yeah.
I was doing grade 4. I can't remember.
Oh no, that's like 10.
I think it was like 10, 11.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Despite temporarily stopping her music endeavors after this incident, Mawhoo believed in her superstar potential and her destined path to shine, so she began her modeling career. During her school years, she actively participated in and won numerous modeling pageants, and she was also a member of the school's choir.
And then I go choir school in primary and high school, and doing modeling as well, winning also.
Mawhoo earned a bachelor's degree in education from the University of South Africa. During her time at the university, she successfully balanced her academic pursuits with her artistic endeavors. She ventured into modeling for various brands both in and outside of South Africa, including Tribe Afrique, House of Supreme, and Convoy Clothing South Africa. Mawhoo's naturally endowed and beautiful physique garnered admiration, with many women aspiring to achieve a similar look through surgical means. She embraced her body confidently and showcased her body proudly.
Like, oh my God, your body, you're beautiful. Did you do your body? Like, bro, I cannot do. I mean, everyone in my family is sexy. Like, girls, my grandma, everyone. Like, my mom. If you can see my mom. I know if you can see my mom, bro. You see, I like, it's a car, I don't want to do lipo, I don't want to do BBL or whatever. I'd rather go to gym.
Her experience in modeling for different clothing brands served as an inspiration for her to establish her own boutique. At one point in her life, she owned and operated her own boutique, where notable figures like Babe Sodumo visited.
Being in a boutique shop before.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I used to run a boutique shop. A lot of artists were being support.
How about who are supporting you? Let's give them a shout out.
I can include Babe Sodumo.
Shout out, babes.
Or DJ Book. There's a lot.
While completing her teaching practicals, she came to realization that teaching was not her true passion, and she struggled with the pressure that it entailed.
I went to university from high school.
What did you study?
I studied teaching and I have a
Stunning.
degree.
Lovely.
It's amazing. Thank you.
You know what? This is exactly my picture of South Africa, because I think for me, education is the most important thing in the world.
Yes.
And we need teachers like you, because
Thank
you
you
are
so
so
much.
inspiring.
Yeah, and I
Did
love
you
kids.
actually go and teach after you qualified?
I did practicals. That's
Okay,
what I did. And then I
amazing.
was like, oh, guys, this is too much for me. I can't.
Oh, but your kids must have
Yo,
literally
they're
been
always
living in a
complaining,
dream.
oh, this one is doing this, this one is doing this. And I'm like,
During this period of uncertainty about her career path, her friends encouraged her to explore music further. Mawhoo took their advice and booked a studio session at her friend's bedroom studio, where she recorded R&B and hip-hop songs.
Lendiqale estradini with my friends. We found a bedroom studio, and then I was like, let me just come and check something.
Yeah.
And then that's how it started.
No, shout out.
I don't want to lie.
Thank you for checking something and that friend with the bedroom too. Yabo, if that friend behanga na bedroom too, ngabe phela sikho lana guys. Phela fanele sibabonge nabangani bethu.
This experience reignited her love for music, confirming that it was indeed her calling. After graduating, she made the decision to pursue a career in music, despite initial resistance from her mother, who hoped that she would opt for a professional teaching job. Mawhoo has mentioned that her motivation for attending university was to make her mother proud.
But you have a qualification, humble fundisa, do something. And I was like, man, you understand, but yes, it's okay. Music.
Mawhoo draws significant inspiration from the late Lebo Mathosa. She recalls imitating Lebo frequently during her formative years. Additionally, she admires Nicki Minaj for her ability to both sing and rap, much like herself. Mawhoo's early career reflected the influence of Nicki Minaj through her choice of wigs and vibrant clothing.
Yo, Lebo Mathosa, like honestly, I cannot lie to you. I love this woman. I love it so much because yena umuntu bengibuka sakusuka ngisamncane yabo bengibuka amacula akhe ngidansa kubona like as grade 4 ngibuka amacula akhe ngidansa kubona is like, oh my god, I love this woman, and waze washona ngimthanda ngifisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngihlangane naye ngimbone, but yabo wagcina seshonile.
And then abaphesheya?
I love Nicki
Minaj. Oh yes, she inspires you, right?
Oh my god.
Actually, because unjengawe uyacula futhi uyarap.
Yes. Yeah.
As she continued to record her own music, Mawhoo explored genres like gqom music and house music. Eventually, she settled for house music because at that time, many artists in Durban were focused on making gqom music, and it was easier for her to sing and rap over a house beat. She frequently performed at various clubs in KZN, such as Eyadini and Rich Durban. During one of her performances at Rich Durban, she caught the attention of her former manager, KK, who had strong connections within the music industry and played a pivotal role in advancing her music career.
Ngaperforma Eyadini, ngaperforma kama-Champlains, ngaperforma ngimele lapho, nobody
no manager, no nothing.
Yeah. And then
you're brave, you.
Yeah. And then ngase ngiperforma nase 47 lokhu bengibiza ngiperforma njalo Rich Durban. So kwaba kanjalo, and then ngase ngithola my sister uSiskeke, my manager, wangisiza ke.
Alongside her live performances, Mawhoo also shared videos of herself performing on Instagram. In 2018, her Instagram post caught the eye of the first record label that she was signed to, Mabala Noise, marking a significant turning point in her career.
There was a time like when I genza ingoma like a song with some boys, I forgot their names. Sasenza nje, me studio ngamba nalo ngisenza ingoma. And then there is where I got to Mabalanos approach her before ukusebenza nami, and then ngasign nabo. And it didn't take long really ukuthi ngisebenze nabo, and then ngadecide ukuthi ngibe independent, ngasebenza nje alone as Mawhoo Entertainment.
Okay.
Yeah. And then ngisasemabala ngisebenza with my manager ngingasebenza naye wa-introduce kuwena one day. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, wena ngumuntu owakhuluma no Heavy K ukuthi okay, Mawhoo, I want ukuthi enze ingoma nawe. So kwaba into kanje sayenza ingoma naye. That's it saqala ke. Ngiqala lapha actually ukuthi to blow up, I think, or let me not say blow up, but ukuthi abantu bangirecognize iqale lapha, yabo. Bangirecognize ingoma engenzile umshado. And then I approached my producers, amaningi, like big producers. I was so excited.
Yeah.
Because they wanted me to do like this African vibe and like.
She then collaborated with Heavy K, one of Africa's most talented and renowned producers. He assisted her in producing her debut single, Umshado, which was released in 2019. Umshado translates to wedding or marriage in isiZulu. The song narrates the story of a girl who is ready to settle down after navigating the dating scene. In the song, she requests her partner to propose or formalize their relationship. Umshado garnered immense success, receiving positive feedback from the critics and the fans.
Katsele umbizele tatsini Sandalunjano luema Sandalunjani hey Sandalunjani Sandalunjano luema Sandalunjani hey Sandalunjani.
The accompanying music video sets in a crowd with cows symbolizing the Lobola currency. It showcased Mawhoo's cultural and aesthetic charm. As of 2024, the music video now has over 1 million views on YouTube. Mawhoo's popularity and talents caught the attention of other prominent artists in the South African music scene, especially in the Amapiano music genre. She collaborated with Kabza De Small, DJ Maporisa, Vigro Deep, and Master KG on tracks like Ngwanaka and Ilwantombo. Additionally, she was featured on DJ Maporisa and Kabza De Small's groundbreaking album Once Upon a Time in Lockdown, released in 2020 during the COVID-19 pandemic, contributing to the track Phumelela. Despite being featured on one of the biggest Amapiano albums, listeners adored the song Phumelela that Mawhoo was featured on without knowing the vocalist behind it.
And people liked the song. I was like, okay, people like this vibe. Let me just continue with you on a vibe. So, and then I did a song. It was amazing. Yeah, trender. But me, I didn't get some gigs. But then it be push out. It's okay, we know which vocalist. Because I was the only vocalist on the song. And then I look sang is Moya Wam. And Moya Wam Nakona Agazang Yenzel, serious.
Even though Mawhoo is a very multi-talented woman, she only blew up after posting a video of herself on a phone call asking for 10,000 rands to buy McDonald's. She uploaded the video on the 27th of March 2022 and it quickly went viral. Following the success of her viral video, she released a song titled 10K Ye McDonald's featuring Namba, Mdova and Dos.
Kibatla 10K. Kibatla 10K. I want to buy McDonald's. 10K.
On the 19th of August 2022, she released her smash hit Thokoza, a song she collaborated on with Sam Deep. In less than a week, the song reached #1 on iTunes dance charts. On the beginning of 2023, she was exploring her songwriting and vocals on various Amapiano and Skija beats, establishing herself as one of the biggest Amapiano female artists. Following the hit single Thokoza, Mawhoo released another single for her debut EP. The song titled Kulula features hit producers DJ Maporisa and Kabza De Small. It was well received by the public, solidifying her place in the music industry. Kulula achieved gold certification in less than 6 months and garnered over 1 million streams on Spotify within the same time frame.
We would like to present to you these beautiful gifts.
All right.
I
wasn't ready for this. Oh my God.
As well as your plug in studio
Okay,
for
thank you.
Kulula Going Go.
Hello, thank you so much. Okay. Thank you.
Surprise! We should have known what's a surprise.
But get ready for la Alright, well guys, nothing Johnny.
No, Pila, numbers don't lie. That's why I said it's just not me and you only.
Okay.
Every single person that is listening to you, that has streamed your song, that has streamed to support you, Mawhoo.
Yes.
We want to say thank you. We appreciate you. On behalf of your record label, we decided to bring you into studio so we can
I'm
make
actually independent.
Oh, you're
Mawhoo is
independent.
entertainment. And then
Distributor.
Yeah, it's Africori.
Africori.
Yes.
Well, they said we must come and thank you live on
Thank you so much. I appreciate.
Thank you for being amazing, dude.
Her EP, What a Time to Be Alive, was released on the 2nd of December 2022. On this EP, she collaborated with Marumba Peach, DJ Maporisa, The Musical Chef, Kabza De Small, Buster 929, Sam Deep, Noli D, and the Major League DJs. One of Mawhoo's greatest talents is songwriting. She creates music that speaks to the soul, resonating with people on a deep level. Her songs often carry spiritual themes, allowing her to showcase her cultural heritage through music. Additionally, Mawhoo is skilled at writing love and heartbreak songs that listeners can easily relate to, drawing from her own personal experiences in relationships. Beyond her own music, she has also written for other artists. One notable example is Izono on Kelvin Momo's project Amgelani, where Mawhoo penned the lyrics for Babalo's feature, showcasing her versatility as a songwriter.
So Kelvin Momo, Izono, and I wrote a song. I wrote for me and Babala the song, and I wrote the song in the morning. It was 9 o'clock. I remember. I'm like, God, we're going through a situation, and when I was thinking, people sometimes abazali benza into wrong or izinto people are who cursing your families umuntu akese umzali wakhe, and then the thing so your parents are strong enough ukuthi it can affect you as a child because we guys like at the end of the time. So I was like izono zabazali singaweli kithi izono zethu singaweli batwana bethu because it's khona lento kuthiwa generational curses. So ngathi mina God please umuntu akafeli isono sakhe not isono somunye umuntu. So it was like a prayer to me saying that, you know, like God please don't curse us like that because there's a word ethi izono zabazali zowela kubatwana. And I was praying, that was like a prayer, begging God to know zingaweli kithi and my ancestors as well.
Mawhoo has been featured on one of the most notable Amapiano projects, including Melo and Sleazy's Three Wise Men album, where she appears on the song Udali alongside Tejo AMG and Noxolo Ngema. She was also featured on Mass Music's album Nini Na Nini, contributing to the song Singanda Mate featuring Vino Miller. Additionally, Mawhoo collaborated with DJ Stocky on the song Waze Wa Muhle from the album Journey Continues, which also includes Oscar Mbo and Omet. Furthermore, she was part of Visca's Bastrata album on the track Shona Kwelanga, featuring DJ Maporisa and Kabza De Small.
There's Shona Kwelanga with the Kabza.
Yeah.
Song. Then Gomangainza, I was broken. And then Gomangainza, that's why I'm not like very broken because I was like in my prayer, like I was, you know, when you're fasting and praying, and you just got someone to call you, come like, bro, come to the studio, let's work. And I would do the song.
On the 28th of April 2023, just before she released her debut album, Mawhoo dropped her single Nduman Dumane, featuring DJ Maporisa, Kabza De Small, and the Musical Chef. She delves into the theme of feeling unappreciated despite one's effort. The post-chorus highlights the pain of facing gossip and negativity from others, yet she remains resilient, determined not to let it affect her spirit.
Sweet to my photos, Albo. Ongenani mthandi mihla yonke. Wala wembe, ubaba misiyo. Ayibo, wembe, ubaba misiyo. Ayibathini.
Bobby Cooper paired up with Mawhoo and Nkosazana Daughter for this melodic banger called Daliwam. Daliwam was produced by Yams and was more melodic than your typical Amapiano record. Women are gradually taking over the music scene, and their workaholic attitude has made it possible to shine in a male-dominated genre. Bonding together, Bobby Cooper, Mawhoo, and Nkosazana Daughter have joined forces together to deliver to us this hit song called Daliwam. Daliwam is a soulful Amapiano track that expresses the beauty of love.
Guys. Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is a rap from me.
It's a rap.
B. Bobby Cooper.
It's me, Mawhoo, the rich Mona Lisa.
Oh yes.
Following the successful release of her first EP, What a Time to Be Alive, the singer dropped her second studio project, The Chosen One. This collection of work served as a great introduction to her sound and influences, with the album containing 15 tracks that are certainly not for the faint of heart. On the two songs Amazwe and Bonga, Mawhoo provides goosebumps while Mthunzi has the tension needed for the songs to become such dynamic tracks, adding vocal magic to Kabza De Small's amazing production skills, and you have two winning Amapiano songs. Mawhoo got a chance to showcase her incredible writing skills on the songs, expressing her feelings on the love song Amazwe and how grateful she is for everything that she has been blessed with on the song Bonga. The songs appear on the Isimo album, a joint offering by Kabza De Small and Mthunzi. Just barely 6 months after Mawhoo released the Chosen album, she came back with another explosive collection of bangers called The Sounds of Magic. Mawhoo surrenders her life to the creator and her spiritual guides on her latest EP, The Sounds of Magic. Her distinctive style carries messages of gratitude, reverence for people's divine gifts and resilience. With this EP, Mawhoo continues to push boundaries and captivates listeners with her unique sound. Kuwe is a captivating track from Heavy K's album Respect the Drum Boss, featuring the incredible talents of Mawhoo and Mazet SA. Mawhoo's enchanting vocals add a layer of depth and emotion to the track, drawing the listener in with each note. Mawhoo's journey from a small town in KZN to the forefront of the South African music scene is nothing short of inspiring. With her infectious energy, soulful voice, and unwavering commitment to her craft, she has captured the hearts of fans around the world and solidified her place as a true musical icon. In the words of Mawhoo herself, music has the power to heal, to unite, and to inspire. It is a universal language that transcends borders and connects us all. With each song she sings and every stage that she graces, she continues to spread joy, hope, and love to all those who listen.